Yo, guys, I told you, man, the early visuals is not slowing down. We got a banger on our hands today. You guys see by the box exactly what we have. And of course, you see by the thumbnail what we are showing today. But like I said, bruh, these right here, I ain't gonna lie, they caught me by surprise. I said, yo, A Ma Maniére Jordan brand is not slowing down in terms of the quality, execution, packaging, none of that. And I'm loving what I'm seeing in 2025. It's just crazy stack full of bangers, bro. Just filled with bangers. We gotta talk about today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated. When you guys come pull up, see what your boy, The Vintage, has to unveil to you guys. We have another early look, and this one right here, I gotta put the release set up here because sometimes, man, when a plug hit me up, when the pairs become available, I be just acting real fast. Say, yo, we got to get them in. We got to show them to the Vintage Squad. So if you guys do appreciate that, man, please run the likes up. And if you're new here, sub up right now. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we have on the channel, man. As always, it's not going unnoticed. It's greatly, tremendously appreciated. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and pop the top open and check these things out together, man. All right, so you guys can see just off first rip, you see the box. You got the A Ma Maniére logos all the way around. It's like a little film slide out box type deal. We're gonna put that to the side, and then underneath that film, you have the actual box. You have a white top with this kind of, I don't know, it's like an ivory brown or like a mocha brown. I don't know what to make that out, but you have a different colored Jumpman up top with the fly underneath. And the official colorway reads Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP, white diffused blue, and anthracite. And I got these in a size 9. Because again, some of these pairs, I'd be like, man, these might be some keepers in the collection, but I always have to, you know, have a little say in the race. You know what I'm saying? If I get a different size, I ain't gonna be able to wear them. If I end up liking them a lot, then things definitely gonna be staying in the collection, get some wears out of them. But you guys see the official size tag right there, man. So let's go ahead and flip the top open. You guys can see nothing on the inside. We're gonna do this real raw, uncut. And again, more A Ma Maniére logos on the tissue paper right here. So without further ado, bro, let's go ahead and flip these things open and see what we have. It's crazy. Let's go ahead and check them out. Yes, sir, man. Here we have them, bro. The Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniére, guys. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, I don't think pictures did this sneaker any justice at all, man. So let me go ahead and pull both of the sneakers out of the box real quick. Again, bro, the quality is crazy. Got another set of laces up in here. I think come with 2 extra sets. I'm not too sure, but you have some white kind of like rope laces right here, and they come with white laces. So I'm not too sure what that's about, but we're gonna put that to the side and make sure ain't no other laces inside of here. Go ahead and check it out. And you have that same type of message we got with the yellow ochre Air Jordan 1s. I'm pretty sure it says, like, you know, yeah, due to the suede characteristics, please be aware there is a potent color contamination to upper and the bottom unit. You guys can check that out. This same tag came with a couple different sneakers, but one that I remember highly is the Air Jordan 1 yellow ochre that released back in 2023 or early 2024, one of the two. But go ahead and give you guys a quick 360 of the sneakers. I'm telling you guys right now, this is gonna be one of them A Ma Maniéres again, where we talk about the quality, we talk about the execution, we talk about all the different characteristics that came with this sneaker. It's no short of anything else that A Ma Maniére has ever dropped. From the 1s, the 2s, the 3s, the 5s, the 4s. We can go on and on when it comes to A Ma Maniére, but when the quality, the execution is just top tier every single time. And a lot of people always asking, like, why don't they throw this, you know, immaculate quality on all our other Jordan sneakers? It doesn't make any sense, honestly, bro. Like, we get the short end of the stick on multiple OG colorways. You know, one more specifically I like to talk about is the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. I know that, you know, people still speak of those highly, but the quality was real flat. Like, why we ain't get no tumble leather on those? Or we turn around and get a, you know, a Air Jordan 4 A Ma Maniére or Air Jordan 4 J-Ball. I'm just throwing different names out there, and the quality is always top tier. Like, come on, man. Y'all got to give us the nice quality on the OGs and the classic sneakers. Let me point that out. The classics and the OG sneakers, because, you know, some of those classic sneakers, some non-OG colorways, hold a lot of weight in the sneaker community. But again, bro, check these things out. That quality on the leather. I gotta hit y'all with some B-roll. The leather on these joints is really, really nice. And of course, you have your Jumpman on this tongue with this pop-out 3D embroidered hit. You also have the A Ma Maniére logo on the left sneaker. And of course, when you get your pair, make sure they have a little, you know, cardboard tag right here. I usually just pop them out because I tend to wear my sneakers and sometimes don't peep that, so I automatically just be taking them out. But make sure you guys take the little, you know, cardboard little trees that they have on the pull tab. And something that this pair has, which is really, really cool, that the black catch that it has, some right on the back tab or something. It says you have to get comfortable walking alone. That's a tremendous message right there. I'm not gonna hold you. You guys can peep that out. Might hit y'all with some B-roll of that, but it says you have to be, or yeah, you have to get comfortable walking alone. But that was pretty cool. Let me check out the other side, see if it's a note or some type of, you know, scripture in that joint real quick. Let me go ahead and pop this open and check it out. Yes, so it says all we have is each other. So yeah, so you got to be comfortable walking alone, and on the other side you have all we have is each other. So super dope, man, from A Ma Maniére, James Whitner. They're going crazy. And something that I have been noticing with the Air Jordan 3s, again, mind you, I do not have the OG Air Jordan 3 A Ma Manieres, but the 3s that I do have, the black pair and this one, they have that quilt on the inside. Like, they just go crazy, top notch with the different hits, the different quality, and it's like a padded quilt material, so it's super, super comfortable on the inside. And on the insole, you have A Ma Maniére on the tongue. Go ahead and pull that out real quick, give you guys a more thorough first look. It says SP 2025 approved by, I'm pretty sure that's Michael Jordan's signature or James Whitner, one of the two. But A Ma Maniére on the bottom with this nice quilted insole. Like, this joint is super, super comfortable. You got your size inscribed on the bottom of there, and just everything about this shoe is different, bro. It's not your regular, you know, GR release. It's not even your regular, you know, OG retro. It ain't none of that, bro. Like, everything about the A Ma Maniére line is different. They throw the best quality, they throw the best stitching, they throw the best everything when it comes to it, and I am all here for it. But a couple of different hits that I'm not pointing out, I'm sorry, I'm all over the place, but you kind of have this rugged suede around the toe box right here, again leading up to that nice white leather on the upper, nice top tier leather quality in my opinion. And you have this, you know, age midsole that has been going crazy for the last 3 years, I feel like. And on the back you have your Nike Air, and yeah, on both sides you have Nike Air. I feel like it's one silhouette or something that has A Ma Maniére logo, the Nike Air on the back. Maybe I'm tripping, or maybe that's the J Balvin 3s, one of the two. But you guys can see Nike Air on the back of these guys right here. And you do have your Diffused Blue and this weird type of paint. Like, I don't know what kind of paint this is. This is like a regular, you know, midsole for the 3, but it kind of has this weird, like, you know, matte finish, diffused blue finish on the heels of these guys. And you have another Diffused Blue hit with the Nike Air hang tag right here. Go ahead and check that out. And I feel like they should have came with some Diffused Blue laces. I hope I'm not missing anything, but they came with some Diffused Blue laces. I thought that would have been really, really cool. They didn't come with that. They came with 2 sets of white laces, not too sure why. And yeah, throw some Diffused Blue laces in there. Thought that would go crazy, or even some age laces. That's probably what that color is. You guys know I'm a little bit colorblind, so do not mind me at all. And then on this tag right here, it says A Ma Maniére quality goods handled with care, inspired by street culture, fashion, and the greatest athletes in history. You guys can go ahead and check that out right there. And it seems like some of these releases that we have been getting recently, bro, it's something that's already been in the vault. It seems like it's something they already knew was coming out. They didn't plan these releases out, you know, 4 or 5 years later from the first A Ma Maniére we did get. You guys seen it's been a consecutive drops, like couple drops a year when it comes to A Ma Manieres. We got the 12s, we got the 5s, we got the 4s. We got the black pair last year, but the first A Ma Maniére I do think of when I see these Diffused Blue Air Jordan 3 A Ma Manieres is the Air Jordan 5. So it's not the same colorway, but they have the same sort of, you know, characteristics to the sneaker. So let's go ahead and check that out. You guys can see you have the Diffused Blue, or I think they call these the Dons. Not too sure, but you guys can see we have this A Ma Maniére, and of course you have the 3s. So you got the 3s right here and the 5s, and they had that same Diffused Blue hit on the midsole and the heel. You guys can see, bro, like it's the same sort of colorway, but I think they named this one like dusk or dawns. I'm not too sure. Y'all know what it is in the comment section. That's why, you know, come on here and interact with you guys. It's me straight to y'all. Without you guys, I'll be up on here talking to myself. But you guys can see the same sort of characteristics when it comes to the two A Ma Maniére sneakers. You got the 5s right here to release last year. It's been so many releases from A Ma Maniére. I'm getting confused with the dates, but we got these recently. It wasn't too long ago. We got the Air Jordan 5s. You guys see age, midsole, all that good stuff. And then you have the 2025 pair of Diffused Blue A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 3s, man. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section if this is something you will be going after. Some you're going to be snagging. Some you're interested in pulling into the collection. I want to see all that down below in the comment section. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this quick little unboxing, quick little review. I will be doing a full review on feet. I think these might be some keepers in the collection. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm liking the quality, I'm liking the colorway, and that's not too often we get a nice, you know, subtle Air Jordan 3 colorway with a nice little splash at, you know, blue on the heel, midnight navy type deal, you feel me? So let me know how you feeling about them. Drop y'all comments down below. If y'all want to see a full review on feet, man, let's run them likes up. Let's get this up to 500 likes. I know we can do it, man. Again, I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Make sure you subscribe right now to the channel. Run the likes up. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video. Got some more early bangers for y'all coming real soon, man. Peace.